story for another time. Where is the banana? Wow.
It allows you to go from a
Mickey, mine's missing bird. No, put the stitching out. Oh, Cody just like that too. A wishbone! Wishbone! Oh yeah! Hey, you hungry? Got it. Here you go.
I didn't realize the
There's no
Appalachians
hunter.
ended. I thought they went down into Florida.
What do you mean? Cookie, there's no grass. There's no hunters, okay? What's application?
Appalachian.
What's that?
Mountains by where I grew up.
There's no hunters, okay? School time. Somebody should put it in nine. School time. Okay. I'm going. Backpack. Here's your lunch. Hey, and this because you've been good today. Here's the pack. She loved that. Bye. This is for lunch. But stop. Bye. Bye, Wishful.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, and around the marketplace. This is your final boarding call for the 240 train. Unfortunately, if you have not made this platform by this time, you have missed this train. You can catch us with our next partner leaving at 7:20. This is a continuous trip and does stop at the Walker Show at Center Hall. On board.
Right, you're going to have to hang on to those drinks so they don't move when the train does.
Oh, hi! Guys, look at that! What's your name? What's your name?
You reading this stuff? It's a lot of good information. You need to be taking it in.
Oh my gosh!
There will be a quiz. Get soda, of course there's a bee.
Dad, I moved the bee!
Try drinking something else.
There's a bee!
Yeah, it's not gonna hurt you. Unless you do something stupid, the bee is not gonna bother you.
It's a bee!
Yes, it's a bee.
Thank you.
Oh, no, that's your son up there. Make the bee go away!
Sit down and behave.
I don't like bees. They're scary.
You stay still, they'll go away.
Good afternoon and welcome aboard the Stone Mountain Scenic Railroad. My name is Matt and I'm standing all the way at the back of the train. I'll be your conductor for this fun-filled trip around beautiful Stone Mountain. To quickly review, please keep in mind that this train makes a continuous trip around Stone Mountain and does not stop at the walkout trail at Confederate Hall. Once again, this train does not stop at the walkout trail. Your safety is our first concern here at Stone Mountain Park. Kids, help your parents remember the following safety rules to help make our trip as safe and fun as possible. First, to ensure your safety and the safety of others, all passengers must remain fully seated while the train is in motion. Note that this train cannot and will not stop to retrieve any items dropped from the train. And finally, for the health, safety, and comfort of all, smoking is strictly prohibited on the Stone Mountain Scenic Railroad and in the train depot. Pretty simple, right? Remain seated, stay inside, and no smoking. Now that we're underway, let's hear a great big all aboard on the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
All aboard!
Good job, everybody. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride.
As we started out on our journey, I imagined one boat on Stone Mountain Park's car park. She connected to a train and weighs only 100 tons. The track. Get whatever you need quickly. 15 miles per hour for this trip, so you can take in the sights. Speaking of sights, please enjoy the snapshots of our trains throughout the years. you can take the walk-up trail, which is exactly what it sounds like. A trail where you walk up the mountain. That trail takes about a half hour. It is a beautiful climb. Your other option is the skyrocking, which takes you to the top of the mountain in less than 3 minutes in a gondola. Large enough to fit
No, you
60
guys already walked it.
The choice is yours. If you're interested in the science of a mountain, I recommend you make a stop at Confederate Hall. There you'll learn that Stone Mountain isn't a mountain at all. It's actually a Manhattan or a hill. Especially a mountain and a Manhattan is that Manhattan. Or fun to say, we now know that Stone Mountain Park began formally during the old that occurred a long time ago. A mountain who jumped to 10 miles below the Earth's crust, and over time, erosion and wind covered the cool land. Stone Mountain is above the surrounding landscape is very short, as the sun. As we travel around the mountain, as the suns, ride along.
Double time. Take the TV camera's got it. Huge rocks. Enjoy the view of the mountain.
Lattice Moon has been described as part stuntman, part acrobat, part showman, although a lot of people describe him as a hero. He is also known as the Old Man of the Mountain. He is said to have rescued 36 people and several dogs who had fallen or become trapped on the mountain. He performed his first rescue at age 13 in 1927. In addition to these heroic feats, the Lattice also performed daredevil stunts on the mountain, like driving down the steep side or sending cars and trucks off the top of the mountain to crash on the road. His name was supervisor of Stone Mountain in 1959, and one of his first contributions was to build a safety fence around the top of the mountain. He even worked on a famous memorial park. If you travel on a walk-up trail, you might see the Old Man of the Mountain's name carved into the rock, so be on the lookout. He passed away in 1993 at the age of 79, but we will always fondly remember our Old Man of the Mountain. Stone Mountain was drawn for thousands of years. In 1996, Stone Mountain drew droves of people who were mostly archery, tennis, and drag cycling events during the Summer Olympics. Stone Mountain Park continues to draw millions of visitors every year, from near and far, with its breathtaking views and acres upon acres of natural beauty. In addition to hiking up the mountain, and going out on the lake, the opportunities are on and on. With so many paths to choose from, I'm sure you'll find just the right adventure.
I think this is around where they did the granite.
Hi.
Let it go.
We are pulling into a fictional town called Buzzard Hollow. There was a real town here when Stone Mountain was an active quarry site, starting in the early 1840s. I say it was a town, but that isn't quite accurate. The buildings in this area were all for the service of the quarry companies. If you came by the park in the 1970s, you might have ridden the train and seen cowboys and Native Americans being portrayed coming out of some of these buildings in an old-fashioned shootout. That isn't actually accurate for this area. The large building on the right is currently the train shop, but at one time contained jail cells for use by the quarry company. The smaller stone building on the left was the quarry foreman's building. Most of these other buildings have been constructed in more recent times and may have been used for shows at one point or another. In fact, you'll find a family favorite show called The Gift on the steps of the Lacey Hotel Company. We should be passing by the port in just a minute.
Now you
It's full out, grade 1 to 12.
As you know, Stone Mountain is made of granite. Granite is an attractive stone. It's strong and versatile, which means it's worth a decent amount of money. Since before 1850, stoneworkers have quarried granite at Stone Mountain, and they have used the railroad to help them haul stone to and from. Granite from Stone Mountain can be found all over, at Fort Knox, in the Academy Dam, and even in the base of the Lincoln Memorial. There is even a monument in Japan that proudly states that the granite came from Stone Mountain, Georgia. The granite is no longer in service, and tracks around the mountain do not connect to any tracks outside of the park, so we can continue trekking along our current path. 583 meters. The top is 1,683 feet above sea level. The park, or rather the entire park surface of the Memorial Park, measures 3 acres. That's larger than a regulation football field. The park towers 100 feet above the ground and measures 90 by 190 feet. The park is 42 feet deep into the mountain, and the deepest point of the park is at Lee's Elbow, which pushes an additional 12 feet into the mountain surface. From left to right, you'll see Confederate President Jefferson Davis, General Robert E. Lee, and Lieutenant General Thomas Stonewall Jackson. They are each riding their favorite horse. Davis is on Blackjack, Lee on Traveler, and Stonewall Jackson is astride Little Sorrel.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We're pulling back into the depot, our final destination. Please remain fully seated until the train comes to a complete stop at the depot. Once we've stopped, conductors will be making their way down to open the gates for you, signaling that it's safe to exit the train. For your safety, please allow only the conductors to do this and do not attempt to open the gates yourself or leave from the train. Please gather all of your personal belongings and take photos over side in hand. Hold on to the handrails on your way down the stairs and watch the last step. If you enjoyed your ride, I'm sure the engineers would love to hear about it. So as you exit, take a left and head down toward the engine. The engineers would be more than happy to greet you and take pictures. Please help us keep our train clean by placing all of your trash in the trash cans located at the front of each train car. On behalf of myself and the rest of the train crew, I'd like to say it's been a pleasure having you ride with us today. And we hope you enjoy the rest of your day here.